Okay, you guys, we have some approvals here. So we have $2,000 approval. Also, somebody said they started with $1,000 and they got an increase of $600 in 2 months. And then also we have $1,600 approval. These are not all of the approvals. These are just some approvals that I actually took from my YouTube channel, or yeah, from my YouTube channel, from previous videos about the Discover a Cashback card. The original video that I had on here, someone was able to get approved for $10,000, but I like to take the YouTube comments and put them here, so that's why you see those comments here. But hopefully you guys will be able to get approved for this Discover a Cashback card. If this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, my name is Rickita. I see that about 60% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel, but you watch my videos, so please subscribe, and also make sure you guys like this video, and I want you to leave a comment letting me know what is your favorite credit card at this moment. So right now, my favorite credit card is, I always want to answer it too. My favorite credit card is just my Walgreens credit card. And the reason why I say my Walgreens credit card is because I said like 2 years ago or a year and a half ago, I learned how to coupon, where you basically get so much stuff for free. And since I have my Walgreens credit card, whatever I do spend at Walgreens or even at some of these other stores, mainly I use my Walgreens card though at Walgreens. um, I get rewards for everything I spend, which I can end up getting like the money. It just make it where everything is really almost like free. So I do love my Walgreens card. I use a lot for couponing, and I just like to that they was able to give me a nice increase. It is with Synchrony Bank, so that is going to be a trend. There's going to be a TransUnion hard pull, and I have that credit card on here, the Walgreens credit card, so definitely check it out. But that is my favorite credit card right now. Now, onto the Discover It Cashback card. I do love this credit card for sure. 5% cashback, rotating categories. Is very similar to the Discover It Student card. If you guys have seen that Discover It Student Cashback card, it's very similar to that in terms of the rotating categories. 5% back, no annual fee, pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. It's going to be a TransUnion hard pull. If for some reason you don't get approved for this credit card though, you guys understand that maybe you need to check out my membership. It's $1 trial to my 7-day membership, and into my membership you got $1 trial for 7 days. When you guys go in there, you're going to see a lot of dispute letters, a lot of videos talking about credit, a lot of the older credit card videos too, without any type of ads, which is really good, where I can really go into the different credit cards, went into a lot of the applications. So definitely check the exclusive credit membership out. And then when you have my exclusive credit membership, once you fully in the membership, you guys will be able to schedule a call with me where I can actually go over your credit reports with you, and we can figure out exactly anything that may be wrong or ways to actually increase your credit score. Now let's get into this Discover It Cashback credit card. 5% back, that's the biggest thing that I love about them. Plus, whatever you get for your first year, Discover is going to match it. So if you get in terms of your cash back, if you get $100 cash back your first year, they're actually going to double it. So now you're going to get $200 back. They're going to give you your extra $100 basically. And then also, if you was to get $50, they're going to give you $50 back. So I definitely like that. The first year with your credit card, when you get Discover, that is what they have. No annual fee, 0% APR for 15 months, and that's going to be for purchases and balance transfers. I love, love, love that. In previous video, I said I love 0% APR. So whenever you can get that 0% APR, especially if you guys are holding a balance on another credit card, this can be great for you. If you guys especially want to do like balance transfers, I don't believe in a balance transfer thing fully, but you guys can purchase new things and just use the money you was going to pay on your old credit card to now actually use the money you will to pay for those purchases to pay off your old credit card. So definitely 0% APR credit card can be great for you for 15 months. You could pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. If you go ahead and say yes, they say they can approve you for a credit card. You say yes, I want it. It is going to be a hard inquiry at that time. Okay, it is going to be a hard inquiry. They are going to report to all 3 credit bureaus though, which is a bonus. Here's more information about my exclusive credit membership. If you don't just do the dollar trial, there's other options on here. I also have a dollar trial to credit one-on-one, which is just $9.99 a month. And this is where I felt as if no matter what, people are learning about credit, and we have over 40 different downloadables there. Over 206 videos teach you different things about credit in general. So if you want to know about credit as an overall thing, different types of credit, consumer credit, then this what this course is about. And again, it's only $9.99 a month. So definitely check it out. And you get dispute letters there, also a checklist if you guys are working to repair credit. That's a great place to go. I have similar credit cards. So the Discover It cashback card is very similar, like I said, to the student cashback card because of the things that they offer. I also think it's very similar to Apple. It's also very similar to the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. These are the ones that I think that this credit card reminds me of. If you get approved for the Discover It cashback credit card, I think you should also be able to get approved for these different credit cards. I have more lists out there though. For those people, if you like cashback, definitely check this out. Because this one had a 5% back. And then also the best ones for rewards, gas, to build credit, travel, students, bad credit. There's different ones on here. So definitely check those all out. And then I have 6 months of free dispute letters for those people that are looking to um, maybe you want to start working to remove accounts from your credit reports. I have it where you guys can get 6 months of dispute letters emailed to you. All you have to do is follow steps 1 through 5, and we will actually email them to you. And again, my dollar trial for my exclusive credit membership is here. Now, whenever you want to apply for any of these credit cards, you can actually click right here on the apply now button. But a lot of people want to get bonuses. So for this apply now button, is actually going to send you to the Discover It Chrome, where you're going to actually get $100 for actually signing up for the Discover It Chrome credit card. Since I already had this, I have some credit card with Discover, then that's why I was able to have it where you can get $100 and I can get $100. So definitely, if you're interested, go here and sign up for it. You're going to get that $100 on your statement. And again, they're going to match your cash back for that first year. Now, the Discover It cash back card is also here directly on their website. You can just go right to their website and find the Discover It cash back card. Now, you can pre-qualify for it without a hard inquiry, so they're going to be able to check to see whether or not you can get approved for the credit card without a hard inquiry. So I like that. They're going to tell you yes or no. Now, if they say yes, again, this is going to be a hard pull on your TransUnion credit reports. You're going to get 5% back on rotating categories like grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, just different things. And then $1 cash back is you can redeem $1 cash back, $0 fraud liability. A lot of the credit cards already have this, you guys. If you guys have fraud, you need to call them and tell them you have fraud and make sure that this is something that they take care of. When I think about this credit card, I'm thinking that you guys are probably gonna need like your credit scores to be over, I would say like a 680, but I don't like to go off of numbers anymore, you guys. You know why? Because they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Do not play the guessing game with these people. Seriously. I just talked to a client yesterday. I was just so excited that he basically said something similar to this. And he told me that I told him that he should go ahead and find 3 different companies, mortgage companies, and see which ones are going to approve him, or if they're not going to approve him, figure out why they're not going to approve him. And he did that, and he was able to actually get approved. He was looking to see what he needed to fix on his credit, but they was actually able to approve him the first time. So no matter what your credit score is, try to see if they can pre-qualify for see if they can pre-qualify you for the credit card, because you may dismiss yourself, and I don't want you guys to do that. Say, oh, she says 680, I'm at a 650, I'm not gonna do it. They may give it to you. Okay, so let's just have a year of just trying and not caring too much about credit scores. In a way, work on making sure your credit is right in general in terms of negative accounts. That's the main priority, and then go for whatever credit card you want. Okay, now I do have the 0% APR again on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. And when you do balance transfer, they do charge you a 3% balance transfer fee. This is going to be good into April 10th, 2025. Again, this is a lot. You probably be watching this afterwards. This right here with the 0% APR, they have this a lot, so don't worry. But definitely check it out. They do have some answers to some questions at the bottom if you guys have any questions at all about the credit card. But again, back, we're here with the Discover It cashback card. Make sure you check out this exclusive credit membership, you guys, and call us at 833 Rickita if you guys have any questions. When it comes down to credit, you guys, we should not be denied credit. We should not be having these type of problems. I see a lot of people that say, okay, I'm just going to wait 7 years. And it's like, you have companies, collection companies and credit reports, or different companies on credit reports that haven't even verified that the information on there is correct first. Like, we're just accepting what a lot of people say in terms of our credit, and I just don't want that for us. I want us to double check to see if there's other things that we can do to increase our credit score, and let's not hold ourselves back, especially if you guys are in debt. Because if you guys are in debt, certain amounts of debt, you can go ahead and get 0% APR credit card like this and not have to pay on that for 15 months. And that can help you actually pay off some of your debts, especially if it's credit card debt. I would rather you transfer that balance to this new credit card than to keep it over there where they're charging you $100 a month. So that's why I always tell people, please try to figure out what you have to do to get your credit score higher, repair your credit, because if you don't do this, you're going to suffer one way or another. And again, the credit card that I am liking the most is my Walgreens credit card. I just love couponing. I'm like real into couponing. I'll probably be into couponing for like the next few months. After I get so much stuff, it's like I don't have room for no much stuff. I'm not going to coupon as much, but I like to stay in a groove of it because it's something you do have to learn. And they do have like Walgreens couponing this week, stuff like that on YouTube. So definitely check that out. But that's a credit card that I'm liking the most right now, you guys. If you guys have any questions, again, call 833 Rickita. And if you guys get the exclusive credit membership, then you guys are able to schedule a call. Just go directly to the home screen of my website, rickita.com, and you guys can schedule a call there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.